When I think I've got the answers, but it all just comes out wrong. Oh, Jesus, remember me.
Good morning from What the Tuckers. Okay, you guys, we are out here at the garden and I have got to show you what we've got growing. We've had a few changes since last year. We've changed out all of our beds to metal beds this year. And we've already got our garden growing. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here we are at the first bed. We've already harvested radishes, and now we are growing green beans down here. And we got cucumbers down there. Look at that big cucumber hiding right there. I didn't see it until I turned the video on. And look at these wonderful sunflowers. Now I'm going to show you one that's already blooming. And here's our beautiful tomatoes and basil right here growing. And let's go around the other side. Look at these tomatoes. These are heirloom tomatoes right here. We've already picked several of them. But then we've got our marigolds down here growing to help with the pest in the garden. And look down here, hiding in here at this. Let me see if I can't get it for you. See that beautiful tomato hiding in there? Those are our beefsteak tomatoes, and we got lots of them right there. And look at our basil. Isn't it doing well? All right, guys, and look, we got fresh blooms right here for new tomatoes coming out. We've got in this bed, we've got green beans, and they are really got some green beans growing on them. Look, we got baby green beans. Here's the baby green beans. Here is some snails that you want to pick off. The best time to come find these is early in the morning. And we've got marigolds growing down here, which I have to be careful with. I can't get my face in them because you hear my voice changing. And there's a sweet potato growing up there. And then over here in this bed, we had peas growing, but they didn't ever come up. But our carrots came up. We've got our marigolds in there for pests. And then, look around here. I want you to take a look at that beautiful sunflower right there. Isn't that just the glory of God's creation right there? Isn't that gorgeous? Every one of these have sunflowers on. And I can't wait till they're all open at the same time. Look at that. Tons of sunflowers. My husband asked me why. I grow them because it makes good things for your green beans and everything else to grow up. Over here we've got green beans. Now last night I picked some of these to have. And looky here, look at those green beans on there. These are ready to pick. We had some of these for dinner last night. And I put these little trellises in from the Dollar Tree to keep them up off the ground. And there's copper around my beds to keep these guys out. But sometimes if the plants hang over on the ground, I get these. But that copper seems to help keep most of them out. Diatomaceous earth does not work. Over here we've got these two beds I'm having a problem with. Not sure what's going on. But this right here is butternut, and that's butternut. These are two zucchini plants, and these are green beans right here. My husband loves green beans, so we're planting green beans. Over here we've got more sweet potatoes growing and marigolds growing. Here is my need help plants. This is a tomato plant that's struggling. There's rosemary. I don't know why I have it growing in my garden because I'm allergic to it. But I'm not doing anything with it, and if it keeps growing, it keeps growing. here we have a Lone Star pineapple growing from last year that's still growing. And we have some cilantro right there. Let me wipe my phone off because the water just got it. And over here, let me get you back out. This is black-eyed peas. Now I put these little tomato things in here to help them because they're going to be growing up this trellis right here. And these are marigolds to protect them. And there is bunching onions growing under here and some basil growing over here. And that back there is just a bucket of dirt that I got saying that dollar weed's growing in. But we grow them really good here in Florida.
When brokenness and heartache brings me running